Hi, this is Jason Fielder with the Forex Daily Report for June 30th. We're taking a look at the U.S. Japanese yen on the day time frame here. We had this pair close up for the day, but it sure did move lower. This will probably create a new pivot reversal, and it did go lower, but pulled back. So not sure where this pair is going. The range that I have for this next session would be 106.75 and possibly as low as 104.62 if it goes that low. The pair is definitely moving down, but with this bar that it did today, not too sure where it's going to go. Had to watch this next session to see. Looking at the euro, we have this pair hit resistance where it has in the past two times and then pulled back, so I wasn't too surprised that it did that. And looking for this pair to break this low. If it does that, taking a look at possibly it falling back to this resistance, which is now a support area around the 1.5655 area. Looking for the range to be somewhere between 158.75 and 156.95 for this next session. Taking a look at the Swiss. The Swiss went down, actually broke a previous pivot reversal line, a previous support area, but pulled back and actually closed up for the day. This is very bullish. Looking for it to pull back to this previous support area, which is now a new resistance area. So we're looking for it to pull back somewhere between the 1.0335 area and the 1.0290 area. So somewhere in between here over the next couple of sessions. Now tomorrow's range, we're looking for it to be between 1.0251 and 1.0092. Taking a look at the pound. The pound continued to make a new high over today's session, but it did close down. The overall trend is still up. We're looking for it to go to 2.07 and then to on the lower side 198.36. So we'll be looking for that. If it does continue lower, if it does break that point, probably looking for it to come on down to the 1.98 level. Tomorrow we have the Australian dollar has their reserve bank decision on their rate decision. The consensus is that the rate will be held at 7.25%, but it's definitely something if you're up at that time at 12:30 a.m. tomorrow to definitely take a look at. They also have their retail sales coming tomorrow. It's going to be released at 9:30 p.m. Eastern Standard. The consensus is that the rate has increased, which would be good for the Australian dollar. So you may want to take a look at the Australian yen pair if the news comes out favorably for it on both these news announcements, that it could go higher for tomorrow. So until next time, this is Jason Fielder. Good trading.